supplementary sauce, and this is Iran. You remember this from Turkey? Maybe some salt sauce here. What is it? Don't know. Some yogurt sauce and some spicy sauce. Let's have a taste of it. This is hot bread, this is warm bread. Let's try it. Not too spicy. More like a salsa sauce. Let's have a try this. Here comes the salad, rice, pepper chili there, bit of cabbage, lemon, chicken, shish, lamb mince, kofta, and there's cutlets there, lamb cutlets at the bottom, look at that, with the bread and the sauces. Spin on this. I think that's rice and something else, bulgur I think they call it. It's on a bed of some pita. You can see the juices now. Wow, look at that. That's salad. Wow. Let's have a taste of this. So look at this sauce. The first thing we're going to try is this. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Just all that. I remember it in Turkey. Used to, spices are low. So I like a perfect bit of rice in this. Right, let's try this chicken shish. Stop again. Look at this. Beautiful. That looks fantastic. Can you see the smoke coming out of that? That is fantastic. Proper Turkish food. Look at that. Bit of salad. Really nice. Oh, this is a lamb cutlet. Let's have a look at that. See the charcoal from there. Wow. Let's have a little taste of it. That is so juicy. Lovely. Really juicy. It tastes a bit salty, like a barbecue. Look at the meat inside there. Pink. Toasted from the outside. Brilliant. Healthy option. I'm gonna roll up this for them. Try not spicy at all. lemon. Put a bit of lemon in there. Put a little bit. Chicken. Try a bit of bread. Bread's soaked in all the fat. Maybe give it a better taste. Put a bit of salad on. Let's try a bit of this spicy sauce. Tomato salsa, spicy salsa, very nice. This is fantastic. I love the way the texture of the salad is. MashaAllah, very nice.
Was the food and everything okay?
Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Look at this. Oh, you. See that, can't you? Well, let's dip it in some of this white sauce now. White yogurt sauce. I think the winner for me is this salty lamb. So good. Such subtle flavours. And taste the meat is just no smell, nothing, it tastes beautiful. It's fantastic. Fabulous piece of meat. That is so good. Oh, there's pinkness in there. Let's see if you can see the pinkness. Can you see the pinkness in there? Yeah, nice. Brilliant. Let's try it with this one sort of pita bread, kebab, hot sauce. So good. Right, I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to give me my verdict at the end. You can already see, you can already see that this is a fabulous meal. This is a little bit of a chewy one. You expect that. Fight it, don't fight it. That bit was a bit chewy, but juicy. Right down. Salty, that's it. Beautiful. I'm going to finish this off. visible. Perfecto. So guys, just been to the Turkish Kitchen restaurant in Hatfield, and it was really nice. Absolutely fantastic Turkish food. The spice levels were they're not spicy, just normal Middle Eastern style food. The kebab, the cutlet, it was so juicy. Salad was so fresh, and the bread they gave you, a complimentary bread, and the sauce they gave you was perfect, as you can see from the bill. And the thing I really liked was the ayran. It reminded me of the traditional Indian Pakistani yogurt drink, which is salty, and salty one. Oh, it was amazing. So, tell me what you guys think. I'll see you on the next one.